and I've been working at Excel for 5 months now. I joined because I wanted to be healthier and be able to keep up with this little man more. And I always thought I was, fit and healthy, and I mean, my weight was never what I wanted it to be, but I played volleyball competitively in high school and college, and so I was like, yeah, I work out, it's fine, whatever. But after working out here, I found that I had more energy and I was able to do more and keep up with him more, so that was great. And
Why do you like the workouts?
because the workouts are all different. Like, no workout is the same, and sometimes we just use weights, sometimes we use the big machinery, sometimes we just use our body. I love that I'm trying not to focus on my weight number. I'm trying to focus on my body fat percentage number, and so I've lost 7% so far.
What's the best part of starting your day at Excel?
I get up and I have time in the morning. I have time to myself because he's still asleep after I get home and shower.
Yeah. Do you feel like you have a strong support system here?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we went through some stuff recently and everyone was just like, hey, if you need anything, let us know. We're praying for you. And
Would you send your friends and family here?
yeah, I already have one friend here, trying to get more, and I was invited by a friend, and so that was fun just to be able to work out with her the few times that we did. Come join us at Excel. I think you'll love it.